Hey y'all, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. So today's video is a hair growth nighttime routine, okay, all up in one. I just want to show y'all some amazing things I've been doing to get my hair growing like crazy, and I also want to show you how I protect my hair at night. I'm not gonna lie to y'all, this is not an every night thing. It needs to become a every night thing, but you know, I'm a little raggedy, okay, this way. I just keep it real with myself. I don't deny it. I don't fake the funk, okay? I'm a little raggedy, and sometimes I just be going to sleep just like this, nothing on my head to protect my hair. I know that's not good, you know what I'm saying? So in this video, this is like my ideal nighttime routine, okay? Ideal, protect your hair, save your hair strands, protect your ends, maximum growth. So this video is just a nighttime routine on how to protect your hair and how to get it growing. So let's go ahead and jump into it. Before we say anything else, girl, I'm gonna let this biotin hair serum do the talking. Shout out to Purity Naturals for sponsoring today's video. Y'all, I have been using their biotin hair serum for about a month now, and oh my god, y'all see the bottle? It's more than halfway gone because I have been loving this stuff. It is just such an amazing little magical stuff in a bottle, okay? And it has been growing my hair like crazy, y'all. This is what I've been using. I use it maybe like every other day. Sometimes I'll go a few days without using it, but I try to use this regularly because I absolutely love it, and I have been seeing some amazing results using this stuff. So shout out once again to Purity Naturals. Make sure to check that description box for the information and cop you one of these bottles of biotin, okay? So this right here is the major key to my hair growth and to my nighttime routine, because I like to use this at night so it can just, you know, invigorate all throughout my sleep. So I just start off on dry hair. It's a little greasy, so don't judge me, but my hair is blown out, mainly air dry for the most part. This week was my like protective style wash day, so it was full of moisture, not like my normal flowy, super flowy silk press blowout. This is just like my moisture packed hair for my protective style week, because I don't straighten my hair all the time. Like some weeks I'll just do like protective styling or wear it under wigs or just wear braid outs, something like that. So that's what this hair is, and I like to use my biotin on these weeks. I do not use this biotin stuff when I have my hair straightened until like my silk press starts to get old. But my moisture weeks, this right here is the key. I do this, like I said, every other night. I really love this serum because it has that easy pump. You could just, you know, pump it right on your scalp. And it also says on the bottle, for best results, leave in overnight, which I do because, like I said, this is a part of my nighttime routine. So yeah, we're gonna go ahead and get the pump in, and I'm gonna just talk a little bit more about this biotin serum. I'm sure y'all already know what biotin is. I used to take the biotin pills. Absolutely hate taking biotin pills because they are so strong, and when you take a high dosage of biotin, like internally, like girl, it can cause some other issues. I know for me it caused some issues, like my face would break out super bad. Like it just, I do not like taking a whole lot of supplements or whatever when it comes to like pills and stuff. So when I found this, like they have a serum, a biotin serum, okay, like yes, give it to me. Biotin already is a great thing to use for hair growth, because when I was taking like biotin pills, my hair was definitely growing, but this serum is even better because, like I said, you don't have to take no pills, and it feels good. Okay, we about to get into that, honey. This stuff feels so good. I go like section by section. I like to get this stuff all on my scalp, which is why it's more than halfway gone, but I like to get this everywhere. Cause like I said, y'all, this feels so good. Like it's so invigorating. scalp is feeling so good, y'all. This biotin, I love how my scalp is feeling, but we is not done yet. Y'all already know I'm coming with the high frequency treatment tool, whatever it's called. Y'all can find this in my Amazon store, links down below. Y'all know I have been putting on for this high frequency ever since hair school, because I used to use this every week in hair school when I did my big chop. I think that was like my first or second or third big chop, and it had my hair growing like crazy. And that's back when I was actually like ingesting biotin, and my hair was growing so fast. And now that I got my serum, my biotin serum and my high frequency together, girl, my hair has been taking off like crazy. So this is how the tool looks, and for those of y'all who don't know what this is, I'm about to explain it to y'all in a minute. I also have all my probes here. This is not just for hair, it's for face. You can use it for acne, all that good stuff. Collagen, it helps with collagen in the skin, tightening the skin, and of course it helps with hair growth. They have like a little comb tool that comes in it, but I don't really like to use this because it be twisting all around. So I just go in with this one. I feel like it's just easy to kind of navigate through my hair. You just want to put it in like this, turn it on. You hear that? So basically this is just what it say, it's frequency. What it does, it stimulates your scalp, it increases blood flow to your scalp. So increased blood flow equals hair growth, and it definitely works. I'll start with this section up here. I'm used to it, so I like to put it up on high. Okay, it's a little prickly, like if it's your first time doing it or you're not used to like this feeling, but it does not hurt. It's not supposed to hurt. Okay, if it do hurt, you need to stop. The most you should feel is like a little prickle, but you just wanna put your finger on it to ground it. And then bam! You put this on your scalp and it's just helping to circulate your blood flow. It's helping to wake up those follicles. So this is also great if you have like damaged follicles or dead follicles, or just hair that you notice is not growing like it should be, or not growing like I used to. Or you just noticing like dry follicles. That means you need some blood flow. This is great for like growing edges. If your edges done fell out and you need them to like bounce back real quick, or your edges got damaged and you need your follicles to just, you know, be stimulated. And then you just want to brush through. I love this tool. My hair is feeling so good. Y'all, that high frequency one is just so amazing. My scalp just feels so good. That biotin got my scalp just nice and cool. Like, I just feel like my hair is growing. Can you see hair grow? Because I just feel it. I feel like I just see it growing right now. Like a whole another inch. But this is just the perfect hair growth combination, and it is so perfect to do at night, because after you did your treatments and put your stuff on, you can let it just sit and saturate up underneath your bonnet and just, girl, let it do its thing. Okay, so now I am ready to protect my hair for bedtime, and tonight I think I'm just gonna do 4 braids just to have like a braid out in the morning if I want to wear it out, or just to have like some texture to my hair if I want to put it up into a ponytail or a low bun or something. Like I said, this is my moisturization week, so I focus on low manipulation styles or wigs to where my hair is just braided up and out the way. And I like to make sure that hair at the end, I like tuck it upwards and then finish putting the band around it. So it looks like that. Ends are nice and protected. They're not hanging out scraggly. They moisturize, so they just, you know, tucked up in there. go ahead and put my caps on. I just started doing this not too long ago. I like to use a dome cap. You can just get these from like the hair store. I like to use this because it actually stays on your head, like it fits nice and tight. And yeah, you ain't gotta worry about a scarf or bonnet falling off. And then I like to put my bonnet on top. Bam, bedtime ready. That's it. Really simple, but super, super, super effective growth and protective measures for your hair at night. Once again, make sure to check the link in the description box for this biotin serum. I highly 100% recommend this stuff. I have been loving it. Like I said, my hair is still feeling nice and cool. Like this stuff is just, it's on my list forever, okay? And yes, girl, she's about to go to bed. She needs her beauty sleep. I'm tired, okay? I had a long day. I hope y'all enjoyed it. Make sure to thumbs up if you did. Comment down below and subscribe if you ain't subscribed. Okay. Thank y'all again for watching. I will catch y'all in my next video. Peace out, girl.